In conclusion, with the limits having prevented us in our free account due to our usage, we have moved over to a paid account in order to demonstrate the functionality here inside of this GPT. What you'll notice is that this GPT does give us the ability to upload certain documents in service of the purpose for this GPT. And because this is a writing GPT, we can give it a writing prompt. Once you have your prompt, you can then click enter, and ChatGPT will begin to give you the answer. Once you get the answer from ChatGPT, one of the things you can do in order to continue to iterate is to go to that same conversation in your mobile device and to begin to ask ChatGPT questions about the conversation. Within our open conversation, we can begin an audio dialogue here inside of this GPT conversation. We're going to click on the icon for the headphones. How do your instructions change if the video is going to be a technical one?
When creating a technical tutorial video, the instructions need to be adjusted to address the specific requirements and challenges associated with technical content. Here's how the approach changes. 1. Planning your technical tutorial video.
So as you can see, we can have conversation audibly inside of the work that we're doing within a GPT if we'd rather iterate with our voice. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.